Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from PCS Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, you have seen there are loads of people who have joined our EILP process and all of them are working with us. And there are some people who have joined our EILP, but right now they don't know how to start because they have just joined. So today I came up with some people who has that knowledge to work in EILP because they have just started their class and have completed 15 days or 20 days in PCS Global. So Vaishnavi is one of them. So today I'm going to talk with Vaishnavi. Hi Vaishnavi, this is Devamitra from PCS Computer Solutions Global Private Limited.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. So Vaishnavi, tell me one thing that when you have joined PCS Global, how was your experience?
It was very good and also very excellent, and I have learned many things about Java development. I choose the course that is Java full stack, and the mentors are very good, and their guidance is very valuable, and I learned many things through the class, and this was the best experience for me, ma'am.
So who is taking your classes? Who is providing you the classes?
PCS Global Mentor, ma'am.
Do you know the name of the mentor?
No, ma'am. I
So
don't
how
know
many
the
days
name.
you spent in this PCS Global's EILP process, Vaishnavi?
50 days, ma'am.
Sorry?
Hello.
Yes. Your voice is not audible. Okay, tell me. How many days? Hello, Vaishnavi? Let me know how many days. Okay, so Vaishnavi, tell me about the process. In which process you have joined in PCS Global and how the working process is going on.
So the process is first join. I saw the videos on YouTube for this, and I came here, and there was a test that is aptitude test, and then the teachers are said about the EILP program, and I was interested in this, so I joined that program, and the session also started, and I joined 15 days.
Okay, you have completed 15 days over here. So, Vaishnavi, from where you get to know about this EILP process? You got any mail from our side or from any site or any other thing?
Mail, ma'am.
Okay, you got mail from our side about the interview, right? Okay. So, Vaishnavi, tell me one thing. If you're doing the classes, like your mentors are taking the classes, so what is the best thing about our classes? I mean to say the internship. What we are providing, what is the best thing about it?
Best thing is they tell us everything about the, suppose I'm in the program that is Java full stack. So in the Java full stack, what is the so in the Java there is a framework, there is a database which need to connect the data. So that's all process they said, and they teach us very well, and they proper they give more of information about
Okay,
that,
so
about programs.
what is needed to work in an industry, we are providing you the knowledge in proper way, right? So PCS Global is giving their
Yes.
best about learning. So our tech mentors are helping you by one-to-one conversation. If you feel any
Yes,
doubt in any place, is they giving you any support like this?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, there is a Zoom meeting, and in the meeting we solve our doubts also. which we faced in the topic which we didn't understand. So they said very well,
So are you
give proper answer.
they are providing you the doubt clearing classes also, right?
Yes, in that meeting they also clear the doubts.
Okay. So
Yes.
Vaishnavi, have you attended any Saturday town hall yet?
No, ma'am.
You have not attended yet. You are going to attend it very soon. So Vaishnavi, tell me about yourself, like what you have done and what is your current pass out year, or what is your academical qualification?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Vaishnavi Ladore. I am from Amravati. I have completed BE in Computer Science and Engineering from P.R. Pote Patel College of Engineering and Management, Amravati. I secured 82% in 10th standard and 63% in 12th standard. And currently in engineering, my aggregate score is 73%. Computer science is omnipresent, that is, it is present in every field. That's why I have invested these last 4 years to developing my software skills. My technical skills is Java. I also done the projects in my academics, that is fake news detection system. Coming towards my extracurricular activities, I love to dance, particularly some classical dance. I also like traveling. So this is all about myself, ma'am.
Great. So Vaishnavi, you have completed B 4 years degree, right? So tell me
Yes,
one thing, when you have started learning the technologies, and you have already learned because you have done computer science. So have you feel that there is some
yes,
knowledge difference between the practical knowledge and the academical knowledge? Do you feel
yes,
it?
ma'am. There is
Okay.
very difference, and in the platform there's a EILP program. This is a in the Java, there is a advanced concept also in the Java. So the mentors in the PCS Global, they teach us um, in easy way, and also there is a project. In the project there is a practical I know my graduation theoretically, but in the PCS Global I learned the concept in a practical way, so it's very um,
So,
valuable for me.
so in one sentence, if I say what you have said, or if I code it, so it will be like that. What industry-based knowledge, what is needed to work in an industry, you are getting that knowledge from PCS Global, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in which year you have passed out, Vaishnavi? In 2023?
Ma'am.
2000?
Hello.
Pardon? You are
22.
2022. So this you have
Hello.
completed. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible. You have completed in 2022 and right now it's 2023. So between this gap, this time span from 2020 to 2023, have you tried for any job in any company or have you given any interview?
I given lots of interview,
Okay.
but the problem is I didn't have any source, any proper knowledge. But in the PCS Global, when I came here, I got proper guidance, proper what you have to learn and what you learn. So in the PCS Global, this is very helpful for me for my future.
Okay, no, tell me, when you are giving the interviews, what you have faced at that time? If you have given several interviews, so there will be something that was reason that you are not getting that job. So what was that reason?
The reason is I didn't get any proper knowledge about for example, Java. I didn't know what I learned. I didn't understand the concept like collections. There's a huge concept, and in the PCS Global, it's very helpful for learn all the topics, and also advanced concept is there like the JSP
So
servlet.
in your 4 years degree course, there was no programming language in computer science.
There was programming language. Java is there.
Okay.
Java.
So that knowledge was not enough to get any job, right? So what
Yes.
is the industry-based knowledge and the advanced knowledge that is needed to get one opportunity? Okay, so PCS Global has provided you that opportunity. So thank you, Vaishnavi, for giving your valuable time. Okay, so
Thank
you
you.
continue with PCS
Thank
Global and you will get several opportunities in your life. You have just started your career through PCS Global and best of luck from my side. Okay, so have a
Yes.
great career ahead. So
Thank you.
bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Hello everyone, this is Yomitra from Penetration Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Today I came up with a new resource of us. His name is Deepak. So Deepak has just joined PCS Global. He has just learned about our EILP process and he has started with us, but he has not attended any classes yet. So right now I am going to discuss with him how he has joined this EILP process and what are the process he has completed yet and how is his experience, why he has joined this process. So I'm going to talk about this. So Deepak, kindly introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Deepak Brother. I am from Karnataka, Bidar. I have completed my graduation from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And recently, I had a great experience working with Interlogic Solutions as a Salesforce admin and developer. And partly, presently, within a few days ago, I have joined PCS Global, which is very helpful for me to get knowledge in the different fields. So, and I will be getting knowledge about the Salesforce admin and developer. And I will be trained and which will be helpful to get placed in the MNCs. Presently, I am as I have great knowledge, but still I am pursuing to get a knowledge in after joining PCS Global, which is very helpful for my career growth as well as company's progressions.
Okay, so
And
yeah,
yes,
please
madam.
you continue. Sorry.
Yeah, as a Salesforce developer, I have also done different types of projects like pure insurance company project, and also done Canada University project, and I also done TV company project. Canada, like I have done different types of projects. Still, I am as I joined to PCS Global for not only for purpose for learning purpose, but I can gain extra knowledge from the mentors, and which is helpful for my career growth as well.
Okay. So Deepak, why you feel that PCS Global can help you to grow in your career? Why?
Yeah, madam,
Yes.
no other companies and no other startup companies and no other companies is giving same opportunity as PCS Global is giving. Is in PCS Global, I will be getting an opportunity to learn myself and for my career growth also, as it will be helpful for the company's growth.
Okay. So you're
Day
talking
by day,
about the learn and earn experience.
yeah, I can without I can gain my experience through PCS Global. Without experience, we can't get in the market level. If I had an experience, I can gain more knowledge, and it will be helpful for my growth, career, my experience, and it will be helpful for the company's progressions also.
Okay. So great. So Deepak, tell me one thing, from where you get to know about this EILP process?
Yeah, I was searching through in LinkedIn many other process. There were day by day I was looking for the jobs, many other things. But since then I came to know about the EILP process in the LinkedIn, and I also got a message. So I thought, why not? Once I get an opportunity, why not I can improve myself and get a good opportunity in experience, gain knowledge and experience in the company levels.
Okay. So in which domain you have joined in Salesforce? In admin or Salesforce
Yeah, as I
development?
want to work. No, as admin there is no coding language, anything. There is no coding anything. We can do in admin is only for the, and in admin there are only less opportunities.
Okay.
As I am able to gain knowledge and everything, it may be delay for me, but I can gain knowledge in admin and developer also,
Okay.
and I also learn more from advanced developer also.
Okay, you wanted to be the advanced developer. You're getting the
Yeah,
knowledge about PCS Global from PCS Global in Salesforce. So tell me one thing, Deepak, have you received the joining docs and all details, whatever needed for
yeah,
the
yeah. I
interview?
received everything, documents, everything,
Okay,
and it's a great support. I am very much thankful for the everyone has cooperated, and they are everyone responding my
very
messages, and
quickly. Yes,
yeah, very
promptly.
quickly, and they are responding, and
Mhm.
they are very helpful
Okay.
for me.
Okay. So Deepak, tell me one thing, because this EILP process is a huge process that is going on in across pan-India basis. So
Yeah, yes,
there are
madam.
loads of people who you are already experienced. You have already worked with one company, right? So
No, madam. I had a training in one company, not an as an experience,
okay,
but
you have done one internship in another company.
yeah, yes, madam.
Okay, okay. So being a fresher candidate, what you wanted to say to another fresher candidate who has right now who is in the state of mind that either I'm going
Yeah,
to join or not in the they're maybe they are confused. They know about this ELP process, but
yeah.
they have
But
not taken the step.
according to me, it is best because you will be getting knowledge, extra knowledge. Not you are not wasting any time. And as a MNC's company, you can also uh, have your own profile that you are working in the PCS Global. Not
Yes,
only this, yeah, you will be having a symbol of working as a PCS Global as an employee, not an as a candidate as a learning
yes.
process.
You are not getting the knowledge as an candidate or as an any trainee. You are getting the first from the very first. You are getting the designation that is the software developer.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
When you are going to work in another MNCs or when we are going to deploy you in another companies, also our partner companies are there, they will take you as a candidate who is experienced enough in
Yes,
working in live projects and who has that knowledge and who knows how to work in a company, because PCS Global is a mid-level company, a software development company, and there are several projects are going on in PCS Global also.
yes,
So
madam. Yes, ma'am.
yes, so Deepak, have you attended any class? Right now,
No,
you told me you have
no,
not
madam. No,
just
no, madam. Presently not.
started.
As no classes has been assigned for the Salesforce admin and developer.
Okay,
So presently, I have not started any classes. My
okay,
presently.
okay. You will get it very soon. You will get the
Yeah,
notification
yeah,
to WhatsApp
yeah,
and your
yeah.
course will be starting.
Yes, Ramakant sir and madam also informed me about that. I will get notified as soon as.
You will get notified by in WhatsApp and in mail also.
Yeah, yes,
To
madam.
start the classes. Okay, Deepak. So Deepak, what you wanted to say about this process? I mean to say, when you get to know about the process after joining this process, what you are feeling? Because before that you have done one internship in one company. That's
Yeah.
okay.
According to me, I will be very feeling very lucky as I joined this company because I will be getting as an employee as a currently I am working as a from day one I will be accepting as a company employee, not an internship, any process like no process is going as a working as a present full time employee. I am as a working for the PCS Global. I will be getting chance to explore my knowledge everything, and it it will be helpful for my career growth in latest process for as I gain experience and I will be joining for the MNCs companies.
True. So right now, Deepak, you have not started your classes yet. So at first you start, and best of luck from our side, from my side, from PCS Global side, that you need to start and have a great career ahead. Okay, more way to go, and I will talk to you one more time after having the
Okay,
knowledge.
madam.
Okay, because that time I will take one more feedback
Okay, madam.
from your side. Okay, so this is for now. Bye for now. Best of
Yes,
luck for
madam.
your career.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.